परम आदरणीय परम श्रद्धेय माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी, जिनकी वजह से आज ये कार्यक्रम हुआ है और इतने 50 से ज़्यादा देशों के लोग यहाँ पर आए हुए हैं, मैं आपका बहुत अभिवादन करता हूँ, बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ और बहुत धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करता हूँ पूरी वर्ड फ्रेटर्निटी की ओर से कि आपने उत्तराखंड और देहरादून में ये मौका दिया। माननीय राज्यपाल महोदय, सीएस साहब, सभी जितने हमारे मंचासीन अतिथि हैं और all those delegates, those who have come from across the world, and I know they are representing all the continents. In fact, we have more than 51 countries have been represented, so it is a huge occasion. I'll straight away come to the concept behind this entire event. See, the whole idea, as we know, that this globe has been represented out here with 51 countries. So there we are. And since India is going to hand over its presidency 2-3 days from now on 30th November to Brazil, and Brazil's representation is also here. So we welcome all the participants and from all the continents of the world. And what a coincidence is this, and convergence of all global initiatives. What is happening on 30th of June, this presidency that India had so successfully, so beautifully, Prime Minister Saab led it from the front, and we have contingent from Africa, and this time round G20 was so beautifully, somehow also African continent is also part of it. So huge round of applause for the presidency that our Honorable Prime Minister Sir has provided. So G20, and G20 talks in terms of working group on DRR. So that is again a milestone. So this disaster risk reduction happens to be again a milestone. So again it is part of it. And what a coincidence again, Sendai framework that happens to be again the cornerstone of this entire DRR. It is at a midway, almost at a midway, बीच में है 15 से लेके 2030 में जो देना है उसका midway है. And similarly with regard to SDGs. So it's a very, very, very important inflection point where we are deliberating, and this 4-day event is going to set the agenda for many other such things. And how very interesting, COP is interesting. 3-4 days from now, on 30th November again, we are going to have our COP 28 at Dubai, Middle East. So we have again representation from Middle East. So therefore, DRR and this conference, this WCDM, this provides an ideal platform for all these global events. And how very beautiful, CM Sahab, he thought about, in fact, he runs a dialogue series in which he interacts with thousands of people across. It is Bodhisattva. And in its first dialogue series, he talked about disasters in this migration. And when? It was 2 years back. That he did. So deserves at that one, that happened 2 years back, and that set the agenda. In fact, that led to the organization of this WCDM. So, and the objective of this, as has been elaborated, is extremely clear: climate action and disaster resilience. So since we will be deliberating for all these 4 days, and since we happen to have more than 60 important plenary, special feature, Mahantesh Bhai is here again from inclusive point of view. So it is all going to be part of this entire one, and how disaster management is so very important with regard to mountain ecosystem for communities and what we are witnessing. In fact, CM Saab is just coming back. In fact, he was there at Silkyara, and we are all praying and with folded hands, because all our standard friends, they will come out safely. And this is going to be a triumph moment for the entire world, because the whole world is there helping out. What better example can we set than Silkyara? So it is there, and he has led from the front, the Chief Minister all by himself, and the Prime Minister is himself supervising everything. So there it is. And this idea has been unfolded into a campaign, this Bodhisattva, and therefore, all these days, we have pre-events across the country. In fact, from IIT Mumbai, we have people, we have This in Delhi we had Lucknow University, the alma mater of Honorable Chief Minister. From Northeast, the Vice Chancellor is here, Professor Rajiv Mohan. So we had all these pre-conferences across the country. And in Uttarakhand also, in all institutions, schools. So it was a kind of a disaster preparedness, this entire campaign. This is the inclusive structure for the WCDM, all these plenary sessions. So we will all come across this one. And the most important thing is, because for millennia altogether, this Bharti Manisha talks about Ano Bhadrakrito Yantu Vishwatah. Let the noble thoughts come from everyone, from all around, from all directions. And what better platform than this? So at the end of it, we will come up with the Dehradun Declaration, and that will pave the way for many other SDRR initiatives. So that's the whole intent. And inputs from luminaries, experts, with folded hands, I request, because you have graced this wonderful place. So there we will be. And since the ethos of this system is Mata Bhumi Putroham Prithivyah, Earth is my mother and I am her child. So this combination, this symphony, how we can maintain through climate action, and so all that we will be deliberating. So, and for Earth, for us in India, the Earth is sacred and the Himalayas are sacred. Our concern for ecology, our home is, and our reverence to our mother, the Earth. And the Dehradun Declaration will be part of it.